And now Republicans up the ante, filing a petition with the Minnesota Supreme Court claiming Secretary of State Steve Simon is exceeding his authority by not allowing Republicans to make any motions.
I had sent an email to Secretary of State Simon's office just saying that we would like to be at least recognized as being part of the body of the House of Representatives. It was not a surprise. It was nothing that we were going to be unruly about. It was very professional in wanting to be recognized. The Secretary of State chose not to recognize Leader Niska.
We have had motions at the desk every single day that are specifically within the power of a lesser number than a quorum to do under the Minnesota Constitution. He has overstepped his authority as the presiding officer, and so today we initiated legal action against Secretary Simon in the Minnesota Supreme Court, asking the Minnesota Supreme Court to tell him that he is exceeding his authority as an executive branch official, as a ceremonial presiding officer.
In a statement from House DFL leader Melissa Hortman, she says, quote, Democrats are asking Republicans for something very simple, to honor the will of the voters. And according to Representative Hortman, the will of the voters is a 67-67 tie and a power sharing agreement. She also criticized Republicans who she says have stopped negotiating on those points. The House is not in session tomorrow. They are next back on Monday afternoon. In the meantime, no new talks are scheduled, and it's unclear when the Supreme Court will hear this petition from House Republicans.
Okay. So from January 14th, 2025 to now, here we are. Their next session will be Monday, February 3rd, and there still won't be anything going on. The Democrats in Minnesota have decided that they want to boycott, right? Boycott the House of Representatives. It's not funny. This is I don't really know. Like at this stage, I'm sure they have an interest in doing whatever they can to try to save face. Not only this particular organization here locally in Minnesota, but just in general.